Hello, my JCC English 112 students, fall 2019. Welcome to week 3. Yes, we are already at week 3. All right, so what is going on this week? Well, we get to do all things APA. Woohoo! So some of you may be familiar with APA formatting, some of you may not so much. Okay, well, we'll be focusing on learning about APA formatting, and we're going to help narrow down our topics that we're going to be focusing on this semester. So this week, again, this is not necessarily reading. You have to read like a novel, but these are the style guides for APA, which are found in your textbook. Okay. And so you have a quiz. You have two things. You have a quiz on APA formatting, and then you get to complete the third research log. So the quiz on APA formatting is right here. And again, you just click on here and take the test. You can take it up to 2 times. Highest score counts. Aside from the readings in the textbook, as a friendly reminder, we have over here on the side, if you keep scrolling down, there's something called video tutorials. So under video tutorials, there is how to title. So like this video right here, if you click here, shows you how to set up a title page in APA formatting, how to do APA in-text citations, how to do the reference page, okay, how to create hanging indents. Okay, so these are videos here that actually do step-by-step that shows you how to set up APA stuff. So basically all the information for APA is here as well, just to help you out, because that's what we want to do, give you all the resources you need to be successful. So the answers are found here in the textbook and also in those videos, and you'll be expected to be using APA formatting for your papers that you'll be using in this class. Okay. All right, research log 3. Okay, so last week you got to research 3 different topics. You went to procon.org, you found 3 topics, and you wrote a paragraph about each one of them, as far as why they're controversial, why they interest you, and how they kind of relate to you or what you're going to be doing. So for this research log, it's really not that hard. In this research log, you're going to tell me the order of which topics you would prefer to do. So let's say you researched medical marijuana, euthanasia, and exceptions for abortions. Okay. By the way, these 3 are very common. So if you pick those 3, chances are, okay. So now you had a chance to kind of, you did some research, you found 3 topics. Tell me which one would be your first choice, which would be your second choice, and which would be your third choice, okay? From there, once I've collected all of research log 3, I can figure out if any of you want the same topic, okay? So let's say 2 of you picked medical marijuana, okay? And says, I'll ask you to figure out which one you want to do. Actually, no, I won't. I'm going to change that. Actually, I will flip a coin, okay? I will randomly choose, because if this was a face-to-face class, we could talk about it, but it's an online class, so I'll actually change the way that's phrased. This will be different from the video than what you actually see on the page, okay? I will randomly choose which one you can do, and I literally use a random number generator to figure out where I flip a coin, okay? And then if you don't get your first choice, then you'll get your second choice. Again, the goal is not to have anyone do the same topic. So once everyone submitted research log 3, once that's due, which is due on the 5th, after the 5th, then I will say, okay, and then I'll make a list and say, okay, here's everyone in the class, and here are their topics, and I will post that. So that's what we're going to be doing. So that's it for week 3. All right, so go have fun doing it.